bridge at the US 41 SR 54 intersection won't work, and here's why. Unlike a freeway interchange, a bridge here would only service 20% of the traffic volume. By year 2040, a whopping 15,000 vehicles per hour are projected to still use the signal even with a bridge. The current FDOT alternatives 3A and C use a single point urban interchange design, or SPUI, with bridge over 41. Even on opening day, the SPUI signal can be expected to be severely congested, to such a degree that during peak hours, access to the new bridge could be blocked by excessive vehicle queuing, and by year 2040, maximum delays of over an hour and maximum vehicle queues of over 4 miles could be experienced. And FDOT isn't at fault here. Given the extremely heavy traffic volumes and site constraints, the SPUI is likely the best alternative with a bridge. My name is Greg Parsons. I'm a 30-year licensed transportation engineering professional located in Jacksonville. In this brief video, I'll present a design alternative for the 41-54 intersection that can work, has no bridges or retaining walls, and costs much less using my patented parallel flow intersection, or PFI. The PFI is a new, innovative, very high-capacity signalized intersection I conceived in 2004 and for which I received a U.S. patent in 2006. And this is how it works. Left turns are removed from the main intersection by turning onto a bypass road parallel and adjacent to the crossroad. It's a simple arrangement where drivers are able to turn left to go left, concurrently with crossroad through traffic. Doing so reduces the number of signal phases to 2 per cycle for much greater efficiency. What this means is the PFI produces twice as much green time at the signal than the Alt3 SPUI signal. And here's the PFI viewed from the south over 41. You're watching a snippet of video from a traffic microsimulation I prepared using design year 2040 AM peak hour traffic volumes from the FDOT PD&E study. Here it's running at 3 times real time. The full video running slower speed can be viewed on my YouTube channel. Just search for GF Parsons. Note the left turns are concurrent with the crossroad through movements. No congested movements, no excessive queuing, maximum delay about a minute through year 2040. Left turns are direct and intuitive, occurring just short of the main junction. Now the PFI viewed from the east over 54. Lowe's is on the left side. Traffic still flowing. Let's zoom into the main junction for a close-up. The PFI is wide, but no wider than Alt3A. It's basically a two-dimensional interchange, but the PFI is shorter on the approaches, resulting in fewer relocations and access impacts. Note the large islands the PFI provides at the main junction, making for safer pedestrian crossings. The islands can also be landscaped to make the intersection more attractive and visually break up the pavement. This graph shows the dramatic difference in maximum vehicle delays expected during peak periods by year 2040 between the PFI and SPUI at the signal, a minute versus an hour. This is because the PFI doesn't get congested, and less congestion means fewer crashes and cleaner air. And over the 20-year design life of the PFI, all that delay savings really adds up. Over 14 million hours of delay, over 4 million gallons of gas, over $344 million in cost savings for the traveling public. And that's for only the 2 peak hours, 5 days a week. The total savings will be much greater given that by 2030, the SPUI signal can be expected to be congested most of the day. Here's a rundown of how the SPUI alts and PFI stack up. The SPUI with severe congestion versus the PFI with no congestion. Mini relocations for 3A versus the PFI's moderate number. Fewest relocations for 3C, but with an over 3,000 foot long bridge instead. The PFI can provide a safer pedestrian environment. The PFI has less visual impact with no bridge and no retaining walls, and the PFI at much lower project cost and much less construction time. The PFI is new, and new can be intimidating, but either try something new here that can work, or be reminded every day for the next 20 plus years that the SPUI can't, at a cost of $40+ million more, as you look up at what could be a mostly empty bridge because it's blocked, maybe for up to an hour while you creep in queue to get through the failed signal. So if you want to see the PFI constructed at the US 41 SR 54 intersection, contact the Florida Department of Transportation and let them know. If you want more information on the PFI or to contact me, please visit gfparsons.com or use the link address shown here to go straight to the 4154 PFI resource page. Thanks for watching.